10 things to check before buying a home. Buying a home is a big decision, so it's important to inspect key factors before making an offer. Here's a quick checklist. 1. Location. Safe neighborhood. Close to work, schools, and amenities. Future development plans. 2. Budget. Can you afford the mortgage, taxes, and maintenance? Are there hidden fees, HOA, repairs? 3. Home inspection. Hire a professional to check for structural, electrical, or plumbing issues. 4. Property condition. Look for cracks, leaks, mold, or pest damage. Check the age of the roof, HVAC, and water heater. 5. Neighborhood. Visit at different times to check noise and traffic. Are well-maintained properties nearby? 6. Resale value. Is the home in a high-demand area? Does it have features that add value? 7. Legal checks. Ensure the title is clear, no disputes. Verify property taxes and HOA rules. 8. Financing. Compare mortgage rates and loan terms. Get pre-approved for a smoother process. 9. Future developments. Will new roads or buildings affect the home's value? 10. Your needs. Enough space for your family? Suitable for long-term plans? Final tip. Never skip inspections or rush the process. A careful check now saves money and stress later.